Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Amazon Echo or an Amazon Echo Dot and you're wondering about changing the battery because the battery life is getting poorer and poorer on your Echo or your Echo Dot. Now, before you watch any super long videos that are going to just take up a whole bunch of time, I'm going to solve this problem for you in less than a minute. Basically, all of these Echoes and Echo Dots, you can actually just replace the base, which is where the battery is. And they run about, depending on what generation you have, like anywhere between like $20 and $40. You don't have to replace the whole speaker. You can just replace the battery base. So I'll go ahead and put links in the description to the different generations of Echo Dots. You can just go down, click on the one that's yours, and it comes in the mail, and it's super simple. It's just plug and play. Basically, you pull off, there's instructions right in it. You pull off a little bit of adhesive, you stick your new speaker on, and then you are good to go. Simple as that. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.